The legend of the golden apple in ancient Greece. A small village held a secret treasure high on Mount Parnassus, a tree with branches that glittered in the sunlight, bearing a single golden apple. Legend said whoever ate the apple would gain immense wisdom, but they must never use it for selfish reasons or face the gods' wrath. For generations, no one dared approach the apple, until a young shepherd named Alexios decided he would find it. Ambitious and curious, Alexios dreamed of bringing prosperity to his village by using the apple's wisdom. One day he set out on a treacherous journey to the mountain, determined to claim the apple's power. After days of climbing sharp cliffs and battling harsh winds, Alexios finally reached the hidden grove where the golden apple tree stood. He marveled at the shimmering branches and plucked the apple from the highest bough. Without hesitation, he took a bite. Immediately, Alexios's mind filled with boundless knowledge. He understood the mysteries of the universe and the secrets of life and death. But along with this wisdom came temptation. Alexios began to imagine the wealth, power, and fame he could achieve by using his newfound knowledge. He forgot the warning about selfishness and started plotting his rise to greatness. Suddenly, the sky darkened and thunder boomed across the mountains. The ground shook violently as the god's voice echoed through the grove. "You have used wisdom for selfish gain. Now you shall face your fate." In an instant, Alexios was turned to stone, frozen forever with the golden apple in his hand. His village never saw him again, and the legend of the golden apple faded into myth. Some say that on quiet nights, the wind carries Alexios's whispered warnings, reminding others not to seek wisdom without humility. The golden apple remains on Mount Parnassus, waiting for the next brave soul to approach it, if they dare.